Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the screen of your Lenovo Legion laptop. This process may seem daunting, but with the right tools and a little patience, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. Tools needed *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Plastic pry tool. 3. Anti-static wrist strap. 4. Tweezers. 5. Replacement screen compatible with your Lenovo Legion model. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Clear a clean, flat surface and gather all your tools. Ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. If you're not comfortable with this process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 2. Remove the battery, if applicable. If your Lenovo Legion has a removable battery, take it out to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Step 3. Unscrew the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel of your laptop. Keep track of the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Step 4. Disconnect the battery connector. Locate the battery connector on the motherboard and gently disconnect it. This is a crucial step to ensure safety during the repair. Step 5. Remove the old screen. Carefully remove the bezel around the screen using the plastic pry tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Once the bezel is off, unscrew the screen from the hinges. If you encounter any difficulty, remember, no calls, no travel, we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home. Step 6. Disconnect the screen cable. Locate the display cable connecting the screen to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by lifting the locking tab. Use tweezers if necessary to avoid damaging the connectors. Step 7. Prepare the new screen. Unbox your replacement screen and inspect it for any damage. Connect the display cable to the new screen, ensuring it's securely locked in place. Step 8. Install the new screen. Align the new screen with the hinges and secure it with screws. Make sure it's properly positioned before reattaching the bezel. Step 9. Reattach the bezel. Snap the bezel back into place, ensuring all clips are secure. This step is important for both aesthetics and protection. Step 10. Reconnect the battery and back panel. Reconnect the battery connector and replace the back panel, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. It's now time to power on your laptop. Step 11. Testing your new screen. Once everything is back together, power on your Lenovo Legion. Check for any display issues. If you find that something isn't right, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced your Lenovo Legion screen. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself or if you encounter any issues, remember we offer a variety of services, including pickup and delivery at your home. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.